Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to create whole table. So you can create a new part, click start to the sketch. I will choose top line. As example, you can draw a rectangle and then use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Next, you can set holes by using hole tools. You can click in it, holes, and I will click at this point like this. You can click OK. And the next I will create hole again. I will change for size into M1,6 into this point and also in here. Click OK. Now you can save this file. I will save into hole 2. Now you can go to file, new drawings, and then I will use template. The next click base to insert the objects into drawing. And then I will set for scale into 5:1. Click OK. You can move this object. And if you want to create whole tables, you can go to annotate, click on holes in it, and then I will choose whole feature. I will click at this point, and then you can select the holes, right click, and then click create. Click at this point, and you can see we have this whole table. Okay, that's it for a basic Inventor tutorial, how to create whole table. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.